And it's a problem for both businesses and families, and we still have months of winter left. Stefan Reels joins us in studio with how you can prepare for the next cold snap.
Well, Pepper, we're seeing posts all over social media about Memphians with busted pipes, water gushing everywhere, leaving many of us without running water. And now a lot of us are wondering, myself included, what are we going to do when the next winter weather storm hits us?
We were very careful. It's just an unusual storm for Memphis, and we're not used to this kind of weather.
Trying to save the day.
Chris West and his family have been without water for 2 days after their pipes burst over Christmas weekend.
We had a big family get together and a pipe broke in the wall, and I was able to get it capped off, thank God. And then as soon as that happened, another one broke where the refrigerator is. We knew that we had to do it ourselves and get the water cut off because getting a plumber on Christmas Eve is probably impossible.
Now it's all hands on deck for plumbing companies in Memphis as they try to keep up with the overwhelming demand following the Arctic blast.
It being a holiday weekend, we've had to call in a lot more people that were originally supposed to be off.
But with temperatures rising, experts say now is the time to make sure your pipes are taken care of, especially older homes and buildings with exposed pipes.
Some of the older homes, the pipes aren't as well insulated, so that can be. But anytime the pipes aren't as insulated, it has a greater chance to expose to the cold.
Over the next few days, check for water damage and get your pipes inspected by professionals. And make sure you know how to shut off your water if you don't plan on being home.
Either at the main house or in its isolated areas, whether under the sink, at the water heater. But the best thing is to shut the water off outside at that meter if you have no flowing water, if you're going to leave that home. Last thing you want is for you to come back and that pipe to thaw and you come back with a bunch of water flowing out.
Now, if the pipes have burst, the first thing you need to do is turn off the water supply before you call a plumber to prevent further damage. And to prevent it from happening in the first place, keep your homes consistently warm, insulate your pipes, and drip both warm and cold water in your faucets when temperatures do dip. Pepper?